everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create diagrams and flowcharts in ChatGPT. So first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and go to your ChatGPT and make a prompt. So here I'm asking ChatGPT to make me a code on plant UML flowchart about. You can go ahead and change this, but I'm just putting there teacher. It's very random, I know. And then in here, as you can see, ChatGPT is generating the code that we can go ahead and copy. So after that, just go to your browser and search for Plant UML web server. This one. Just tap on this. And then go back to ChatGPT and copy the code, this one. And go back again. And then just delete all these and paste the code. Then submit. And there you go. It's very quick and easy. As you can see, this is already a flowchart. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!